catch the bullet. Changing out the barrel, stock barrel, to my Glock 45, which is a 9mm. It's just called Glock 45 because it's the 45 model or pattern. Take all this out. Here's the old barrel here. Pull that out. Here's the new one. G19 precision barrel. There we have it. It's the old barrel, the stock barrel. It's the KKM, and it's made for 9mm. Because as you can see how it says this here. And this is a threaded barrel, which means I can put a suppressor on it or a compensator. Gotta make sure these threads, because these threads are 1/2 by 28. And if I was to knock it, I could mess up the threads here. So this is the cover for the threads here. This is the new 9mm precision barrel by KKM. There we go. It's looking real nice. That's the thread protector. Here we go. There you have it. The new barrel is installed. Stainless steel. And I could put see that? How it sticks out of the barrel. Rather sticks out of the gun. And I can add a suppressor or a compensator on it.